In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn headset volume up on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you believe that the volume of your headset is low on a PC, follow these instructions to make sure that you can turn it up. This will work for Windows 11 or Windows 10. So first, the main way to do this is to go over to the system settings and then select sound. You can also use the search function here and look for sound, and you should be able to find it. You can also do this on the control panel, and I'm gonna display this option later. So first, if you go through the settings through this menu, the very first thing that you have to do is make sure that the headset is selected from the list. If you don't see it here, you can go to the option to add a new device and follow the instructions on screen. The volume slider will be displayed here, and you can control it accordingly. There's no secret, and this is going to be the direct option to change this. You have your input device, which is your microphone, and basically that's all you have to do. You can go into the volume mixer, and this allows you to change the audio for individual applications. So for example, I only have OBS and Steam running, and I can control it for these. It's very important that you set up the output device correctly, and if increasing the volume did not solve your issue, this could be a hardware limitation. So if you are using a USB headset, try another header, either on your motherboard inside of your case or vice versa, and depending on the headset that you are using, it could be that your motherboard simply is not capable of driving it with too much power. A lot of audiophile grade headsets or headphones need a lot of power to be used, and if you don't have an amp or a DAC, I apologize, I don't know the exact terminology, it might be possible that they won't work. Alternatively, if you want to do this through the control panel, you open it up, you go to the sound options, and you will see a menu similar to the one on Windows. In here, you have the playback devices. You can right-click the one that you want to use, go to the properties, and double-check the level. So you will be able to control everything, but to keep it simple, all that you have to do is increase the volume through the volume slider. There is no secret to this. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn headset volume up on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.